my name is Kavya Priya and I am from Fort Achievers. Today I am going to create an underwater volcano. To create an underwater volcano, we need a test tube, 10 ml of water, 20 ml of oil, 2 drops of red color, half scoop of baking soda and half scoop of citric acid. Now let's start the experiment. First, I am taking a test tube and I am adding 10 ml of water. Now I am adding 2 drops of red color. And mix it well. Now I am adding half scoop of baking soda. Now I am adding 20 ml of oil. Now I am going to mix it well. This is the best part of the experiment, guys. Watch it very carefully. Now I am adding half scoop of citric acid. Voila! The underwater volcano has exploded. The science behind this experiment is when baking soda and citric acid are mixed together, a chemical reaction takes place. The fizz that we saw are bubbles of carbon dioxide are being released. The same kind of fizz can be observed when a soft drink bottle is opened. I hope you liked my experiment, friends. Thank you.